Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone! Are you looking to dive into Grand Theft Auto 5 on your PC, but want to use your trusty PlayStation 4 controller? You're in luck. Many players, myself included, find the PS4 controller incredibly comfortable and familiar for PC gaming. It really can enhance your experience in a game like GTA V. Plus, getting it set up on your computer is actually quite simple, and we'll walk through it together step by step. Let's start with the easiest method, a wired connection. All you need is a standard micro USB cable, the same one you might use to charge your controller. Simply plug one end into your PlayStation 4 controller and the other into any open USB port on your computer. Windows is usually quite smart about this. It should automatically detect the controller and install any basic drivers it needs without you doing a thing, making it ready for the next step. If you prefer a wireless setup, Bluetooth is your friend. Make sure your PC has Bluetooth capabilities. To put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode, hold down both the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the light bar flashes rapidly. On your computer, open your Bluetooth settings. Select Add Bluetooth or other device, then choose Bluetooth and click Wireless Controller. It should connect almost instantly, offering you a cable-free experience. Now, for the best experience with games like Grand Theft Auto 5, you'll want to use a powerful, free tool called DS4 Windows. This clever software essentially tricks your PC into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller. This is important because most PC games, including GTA V, have native support for Xbox controllers, ensuring seamless compatibility. Simply download it from its official website, extract the files, and follow the easy on-screen setup instructions. It truly makes your controller ready to play. With DS4 Windows up and running, go ahead and launch Grand Theft Auto 5. Your PlayStation 4 controller should now be automatically recognized by the game, letting you jump right into the action. If for some reason it's not working, first double-check that DS4 Windows is active in your system tray. Also, ensure no other conflicting software is running. Sometimes, just restarting your computer or unplugging and replugging your controller can quickly resolve minor glitches, getting you back to cruising Los Santos in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.